Welcome to the Master Cars Pro channel. Today we'll talk about the problems and weaknesses of Peugeot 407. Be more careful with the diesel than a petrol. We've heard only isolated reports of trouble with the HID models, and most will have been dealt with under warranty by the time they hit the used market. However, watch out for diesels that rev roughly or are lumpy at idle, problems with the exhaust gas recirculation, EGR valve, a sticky throttle, and faulty injectors may be to blame. Blown turbos aren't unknown either. There's no point touching a car without a full service history. There's so many ex-fleet 407s which should have been maintained properly that it just isn't worth risking a potentially neglected car for the sake of saving a couple of £100 on the purchase price. Peugeot up its game for the 407, and the good build quality shows it. So if there are rattles in the cabin or uneven panel feet, look for evidence of accident damage or just walk away. The diesels are far and away the better drive. You'll pay a premium for them, but we think it's worth it. Although we'd steer clear of the 2.7 V6 diesel, it's too expensive to buy and to run. Besides, the 2.0 HDI gives you all the smooth, strong performance you need. There's the 2.2 HID if you want a little more oomph, and the 1.6 HDI is a good choice for those on a tighter budget. Therefore, petrol engines, 1.8 you need to work it hard. 2.0 our choice, 2.2 second best, and 3.0 V6 plush, fast, smooth, but pricey. Even the entry-level S models have 7 airbags, anti-lock brakes, electronic stability control, an alarm, climate control, and CD player, so there's no real need to upgrade to SE or SV trim for leather seats and much else besides. Look for an executive model. Well, if you are the owner of this car, then please describe the problems that you had to face during the operation of the car. Perhaps it is your feedback that'll help viewers when choosing a car. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for attention. It isn't much work for you to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.